Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how you can change your email address on the Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open the Crunchyroll app. So once you open your Crunchyroll app, you need to simply press on the accounts option. Then press on the change email option. Here you need to tap on the request email change link option and then a link will be sent to your email. All you need to do is simply go back and tap in your Gmail account. So once you tap it in, you will get an email from Crunchyroll. So press on change email and then you can simply type in the new email you want to update your email into. Once you confirm your new email and type in its password, you have to press on the update email option. So after you press on the update email option, your email will get changed in your Crunchyroll app. So now all you need to do is simply press on the link given and type in your email address or the username and simply type in your password and log in into your Crunchyroll app. So this way you can change your email on Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.